On this Life in Bama, I'm in the kitchen. It's morning and I'd like to show you how to make some breakfast biscuits. I'm going to use this bowl. It was a bowl I gave my mom years ago, and she made biscuits in it too. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use about 2.5, 3 cups of self-rising flour. Even though this flour is supposed to be pre-sifted, I'm going to sift it. And this is really quick, really simple. So there's my flour sifted. So now I'm going to make a well. And I'm going to put about 1.5 cups of buttermilk in there. Make sure you shake your buttermilk really good. Then I'll start working my dough. I know a lot of people cut butter into it, but I'm going to use oil. Like I'm saying, this is really quick, really simple. Then I'll work it into more like a dough ball. Work in some of the flour from the side. Just don't overwork your dough. Be happy with it being mixed. Alright, so now I'm going to wash my hands. Now I've preheated my oven. I'm going to use my little oven. I'm not using my main kitchen oven, but I've heated it to 350. And I'm heating my butter up. So here we go. I'm going to use a little butter on the pan. It's a dark enamel cake pan, as you can see. About 9 inches. Make sure I do the sides. The way you do this dough is you put a little flour on it. And you break off a piece. You form a ball. Leave the flour on my hands. You don't have to do too much to it. Put it in your pan. Pat it down a little bit, just like that. So now we've got our pan of biscuits, and I'm going to put some butter on top of it. I'm going to put them in the oven. Alright, so here we go. I've got this preheated. I'm going to turn it up to about 375. It was on 350. And here's my biscuits. I'm going to put them in there for about 15 minutes. Couple eggs in there. I've actually had them in there for about 12 minutes, but I don't want them to get tough, but I want them to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. So there we have them. Let's take them over and get them out of the pan. All right, let's see how they turned out. Let's try this one. Now Nice on the bottom, nice on the top. Let's see if it's done in the middle. Oh my goodness, yes. Look at that. I tore it a little bit bad, but boy, that looks good, doesn't it? Let me get a close-up. That looks excellent. It's hot, it's steaming. Look how flaky that is. That is excellent. That sausage is going to give us our flavor for our gravy. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm going to add a piece of egg. Sausage. Now you could cut this sausage up and put it in the gravy, but I'm not going to. A little piece of ham. So I got my little plate. I made the other plate for my husband. He's been waiting to eat. So here's my biscuit and gravy. Let's give it a taste. Really, really good. So thanks for watching my video. I have other videos on sawmill gravy and on eggs, making eggs. So take a look at my channel, at my country cooking section, and make sure you subscribe. And after you subscribe, make sure you click on the bell so you'll receive notifications when I upload new content. I thank you for watching and welcome my new subscribers to my channel. We will see you next time. Thanks again.